If you've ever wanted to create a screw or bolt in Tinkercad but didn't want to model every single thread by hand, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to thread in Tinkercad the fast and efficient way using a shape generator. This method is perfect for making screws, bolts, and custom threaded parts for 3D printing, and it saves a ton of time compared to building the grooves manually. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Tinkercad and go to your design workspace. Make sure you're logged in and ready to create a new object on the Workplane. On the right side, you'll see the Shapes panel. By default, it usually opens to basic shapes, but for threading, you need something more advanced. At the top of that panel, click the drop-down menu where it says Basic Shapes. This is where Tinkercad lets you switch between different shape categories. From the drop-down, go to Shape Generators. Depending on your version of Tinkercad, you may also see an option to view all or search directly for a specific generator. In the search bar, type Thread. This will help you quickly find the right generator without scrolling through the full list. What you're looking for is the isometric thread generator, or in some cases, a screw thread generator. These are the tools designed specifically for creating threaded parts in Tinkercad. Once you find the thread generator, drag it onto your Workplane. You'll notice that it appears as a customizable threaded shape rather than a basic cylinder. This is where the real power of the shape generator comes in. Instead of manually carving threads, Tinkercad builds them for you based on the settings you choose. Now click on the shape to open the inspector panel. This is where you can customize the thread to match your project. The first setting is diameter. This controls the width of the screw or bolt. If you want a larger threaded part, increase the diameter. If you need something smaller, reduce it until it matches the size you want. Next, adjust the pitch. Pitch is the distance between each thread. A smaller pitch means the threads are closer together, which creates more thread lines along the screw. A larger pitch spreads the threads farther apart. If you're trying to match a real-world screw size, this setting is very important because it affects how the threads will fit and function. After that, look for segments. This setting controls how smooth the threads will look. For 3D printing, you usually want to set segments to the maximum value, so the thread edges are smoother and more detailed. Higher segments can also help the final print look cleaner and more professional. If the segments are too low, the threads may look rough or blocky. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on the shape in the Workplane so you can see the changes in real time. This makes it much easier to fine-tune the thread before printing. If you're building a screw, you may also want to combine the threaded section with a head shape, like a cylinder, hexagon, or custom top, depending on the design you need. One important tip, always test the scale before exporting your final model. Threads can be sensitive to size, and even small changes to diameter or pitch can affect whether the part will fit properly. If you're making a screw and nut pair, it's a good idea to print a small test piece first so you can confirm the threading works as expected. And that's really all there is to it. By using the isometric thread shape generator in Tinkercad, you can create clean, accurate threads without modeling each groove manually. It's faster, easier, and much better for beginners as well as experienced makers. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Tinkercad guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.